Hello everyone! Kamusta? I hope you are all okay. As you can see on the title, we are doing a kitchen tour today. I just want to share with my audience on how my kitchen looks like and how I organize my stuff. It might give you ideas because this is how I get my ideas as well. Is watch room tour, house tour, kitchen tour every day. That's where I get ideas how to organize pots, how to organize this or whatever. I hope by doing this kitchen tour, I would be able to help some of you get ideas on how you could organize your own kitchen. But for today, it's just a kitchen area, okay? The rest of the house are a mess, so I won't show you that. Alright, let's get into it. So my kitchen, when you enter it, this is the entrance to the kitchen. We'll go with the right first. I'm actually gonna give you a kitchen tour that's real, okay? This is how my kitchen looks like almost every day. Bit more messier actually. But this is where my cats eat their cat food. I had this whole thing done, customized. And as you can see, the paint is chipping in there already. This is actually cross stitch that was done by my mom. And I wanna show it off. Also, I painted this black. It wasn't really black before, it was like brown. So this part, I actually put where all my big pots are. These are all my big pots, and this is the lids of it. And that's a pulley, I think. And as you can see, this is my oven. Yes, this is where I keep food as a storage area. I don't use it often as an oven. I actually use it more to store food that I bought from outside. So this is our microwave. The red toaster. Just a cup that says Sunday. Sunday is my favorite day. Some of the books that I would like to follow the recipes on. That's where you can see, the main switches. We're going top to bottom. So this top cabinet, it has all my baking essentials and party essentials. This one is like a pan that I've not used yet. When you have parties, you need like people taking leftovers, you need somewhere to put it on. That's it. These are extra plates, extra spoon and fork. There's the bigger ceramic plates and some more of my baking stuff. And then when you get down here, this is my open pantry. As you can see, I need to fill it up again. And that is a pot that I've never really used it for just aesthetic. These are cereal boxes, my favorite and kids' favorite. So these are more storage. This is where I put my juices, my coffee, sachets. Oops, sorry. Speaking of cat, she's eating there now. And then this is where I put all my paper bags when I need it. Some more eco bags, all other stuff for the kitchen. So this is where I put my pot holders. This is dog and cat food. There's labels in there, and their trash is in there as well. This is where I put all my baking equipments, like the mixer is there, all for baking, like what do you call that, for the muffins, baking pans. These are pink plates, a set of pink plates and bowls. These are fake plants, by the way. There is no way a live plant will actually be alive in this, because there's no window here, nothing, it's just light. And this is our fridge. It's just a standard fridge, nothing special. Let's go check on the freezer. I have french fries. Thomas loves french fries, bacon, Adam's ice cream, some hot dogs, ice cream again, ice, nuggets. I labeled it ice cream, chicken, pork. I just want everything organized. Even on my freezer. Our magnets, our faces. And this is how my freezer looks like. Yes, I actually put the eggs in here. Yes, I do. This is where my cheese and butter is. And liver spread. We have a lot of water bottles. And this is where I put Candies. Kids don't eat much candy, so we have to put it on the fridge. Chocolates. And my skincare. My masks are actually here. I put it on this. My eye gel, something. Yeah. And this is where, gulay. Again, top. This one is actually, it looks like a big cupboard, but it's not. It's where I put my candles. And a spare, an extra joy, all my extra sponges I put in there as well. Just in case, like if I run out of our dishwashing liquid, then I get it from there. I know where to get it. These ones are supposed to put cookies in there, or we don't really eat cookies that much. We bought this from a surplus shop. So basically, instead of putting cookies, we just put kisses in there. Oh, obviously running out. This whole thing also, I had it done, customized, where I can put my rice container here. I wanted the water container there, but we've changed. They are now in a dispenser. So this is another pantry. These are mostly biscuits by kids that they take at school. Tapos this one is a container of ketchups, cheese powder from the nuggets. What else? Barbecue sauce. You know, all those sachets that are given by fast food restaurants. My gourmet tuyo is here too. And all my other spreads. Nutella and all that. We love spreads. You can see there's a lot of spreads in there. Pancake syrup. So I like making pancakes. This is one extra cupboard where I put all my extra plates in. Most of them are the special occasion plates and extra glasses. Another for party stuff. And this one is a bit hard to get to open. This is where I put all my kitchen towels and also the dog stuff, like their clothes, their leashes, their comb. This is where it is. So close up. Go from top again. This one cupboard. Oh, this is how my light looks like, by the way. That's the light. This is where I put all my other mugs. I used to have a very big collection of mugs. I actually don't have that much anymore. This is all like the mugs that I kept that has sentimental value. Of course, tumblers. There are two tumblers and mugs as well. Down here, you will see where I kept our Milo, our milk. What's this? Cornstarch, pepper, MSG. Yeah, sous what do you call that? Yeah, that's MSG. And then some of the stuff that I use for baking as well, like the small marshmallows, the sprinkles, chocolate and colored sprinkles. And this is where our sink is. So this one is, I bought this all from Shopee, except this I bought this from some department store. This one is where I put the dishwashing liquid, and this is for hand soap. This is how our sink looks like. I wanted, when we moved in here, this is how the sink is already. I actually want to replace this with a deeper sink, you know, those farmhouse sinks. But that's another project for another video. Yeah. So this is a faux plant. Yeah, I used the mugs to actually put faux plants in it, or even live plants. So this part though is, this is like a trash bin, small trash bin. This is where I put all my sponges that I used to ano ba yan? Wash the plates and all other storage, like for cleaning stuff. My cleaning things I put under here, so it's a bit dirty. Sorry for that. Let's go back in here naman. Another is where I put all our noodles, diba? And the box for the special occasion plates. We like noodles, yes. And then here is our glasses, and here are our glasses, where I put our glasses. Down here is where I put plates that we use every day, which is just plastic. Because when you have two boys who are clumsy, they keep breaking plates that are glass. But this had been with us for a very long time, so it's sustainable. And this is a set of knives that we bought on sale. Tapos this one is actually a kitchen towel, but whenever I wash a plate or two or the pots, I put it here to dry it down. So I can take that off and I will have a counter space. Tapos this one, I only use this lang talaga. Itong dalawa talaga ginagamit ko for cooking. And then the rest are more like it's in there when I need it. These are for like salads, I think. This is where I put, well, obviously, our cubes, our Knorr cubes, you know, soup, more spices, really. Tapos this last cupboard is where all my Tupperware is. This one is supposed to get the smoke. It works. It even has a light, but we don't use it because I need a really long extension. There's nowhere to plug it. That's why. Tapos this one is Sean's utensils. He likes to use this. He loves it. Sorry for the dirt there. I'm gonna clean that up. Pero I don't use it. I use this really. Just the wood. And then where clean oil is, and then oil that you can still use but it's already used. Some of other spices that we often use. My cutting boards. And this one is where it gold to me. This is where I put all my black cumin capsules. Tapos ito, this is my favorite kawali or pan. I use this all the time. And then down here is where I put all my utensils and all other baking stuff. Another baking, like, you know, bigger containers for food. That's where I put it. Tapos here, more pots and pans that I often use. Depends on how big or how much I'm cooking. And this is where the gas is. Yeah. And then I also have somewhere to put my onions and garlic. This is actually a window for the bathroom. And that's it. Another strainer. This one is a clean water bottles. Kaya talaga. More stuff where I can put spices in. You know, for adobo, that's bay leaf. And our can opener. Yeah. So that's it. Guys, I just want to say, you might be wondering why I wanted to have an open pantry. It's because when I do groceries, and this one is open too, I want to be able to just peek and see what I need. So I like it open. I just want it organized. So as you can see, my kitchen is not the greatest kitchen in the world, but I just want to show you that you can still organize even when you have a small kitchen like mine. And I know you would see on the video there are a lot of stuff that I need to renovate or repair. I'm working on that. I hope you enjoyed the kitchen tour. I'm sorry I have to speak in English. I have audience from outside the Philippines. My next tour for this house would probably be the bathroom, but I still have a lot of things to do on that. Probably my work area. Yeah. Or my workstation. Just comment down below if you want me to do another tour. Tell me which part of the house would you like to see. I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye!